Application of electrical resistance tomography (ERT) in resolving hydrological problems of a semi-arid hard rock terrain of southern India. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Electrical resistivity is a measure of how strongly a material opposes the flow of electric current. The basic concept of electrical resistivity tomography (ERT) was first described by Lytle and Dines as a combination of traditional electrical probing introduced by the Schlumberger brothers and the new data inversion methods of tomography. ERT has been used in association with several geohydrological, geotechnical and geophysical methods in resolving several site-specific problems in hydrological science. Advancement in the field of computers and automation in the field of electronics has jointly resulted in the development of this geophysical innovation, which has wide application in groundwater, environmental and engineering problems. In this paper, the application of ERT in association with geohydrological and other exploration methods in resolving the groundwater sustainability problem of a micro-watershed area in semi-arid hard rock terrain is presented as 4 independent cases. Under the project of sustainable groundwater development for rural water supply in a fluoride endemic semi-arid region of southern India, a watershed area of approximately 2 square kilometers was selected for a pilot-scale study. CERT-AIN site-specific problems in the study area were encountered, which were attempted and understood using ERT in close association with different surface geophysical techniques and hydrological test results. Further, investigation in depth with a closed grid for better resolution of the shallow horizon was attempted in integration. In a hard rock terrain, the probability of complexities in understanding the subsurface lithology and its corresponding hydrological parameters is higher. Hence, appropriate resistivity survey configuration and suitable inversion of acquired data in congregation with other geoscientific investigations were carried out to understand the site-specific problem. The study demonstrated 4 independent cases showing the usefulness of the ERT method in hydrological investigations, which is economical, efficient and less time-consuming in comparison to the other exploration methods. The study concluded that geophysics plays a major role in understanding the subsurface. With scientific advancements in instrumentation, data acquisition has improved in depth and accuracy. Introduction. Tomography is a technique used to create sliced images of objects, much like taking cross-sections. One specific type, called electrical resistance tomography (ERT), helps scientists see underground by measuring how electricity moves through the earth. This method is especially useful in studying groundwater. Since the early 1900s, electrical techniques have been used to explore underground water, as the resistance of the ground changes with factors like rock type, water content, and soil composition. In this study, ERT was used alongside other geophysical tools to better understand underground water conditions in a dry, rocky region of southern India. By combining ERT with other methods, researchers were able to get a clearer picture of the subsurface and make better decisions about water availability and management. The results show that ERT is a powerful and reliable method for solving complex groundwater problems in challenging terrains. Conclusion. From the above discussed case studies, PERT-INing to independent hydrological problems, it has been shown that geophysics plays a major role in understanding the subsurface. With scientific advancements in instrumentation, data acquisition has improved in depth and accuracy. ANDRAID, 2011. The 2D resistivity tomography technique is an example of the same in hydrological studies for its precision and reliability in integration with other survey methods. Processing and plotting the results in a pseudo-section using RES to DINV has shown a reduction in lateral inhomogeneity effect as experienced in conventional resistivity surveys. Corroboration of 2D resistivity results with other supplementary geophysical techniques and lithological studies can be a versatile tool in solving several complex hydrological problems. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.